Hello, here is Alex from YZNEW Plastic Corporation Limited. Here we mainly introduce 3 different materials tubes for the cosmetic and toothpaste. First, the 2 materials, the ABL and PBL material. These 2 materials is widely used for the toothpaste packaging. This is aluminum plastic and this is PBL material. So the third materials is the PE tubes. It is widely used for the cosmetics packaging. You can see these 2 tubes in my hand. Here is 3 materials widely used for the cosmetic and toothpaste packagings. And the next version we will introduce the difference between these 3 materials. Thank you very much.